Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study cost and management accounting. First, begin by grasping the fundamental concepts such as cost behavior, cost allocation, and relevant costing. It's crucial to understand the basic definitions and principles before moving to more complex topics. Dedicate time to practicing simple calculations and exercises to solidify your foundational knowledge. This initial step is vital for building confidence and a strong understanding of the subject. Once you have the basics down, actively apply your knowledge by working through a variety of problems. Don't just memorize formulas, strive to understand the underlying logic and purpose of each accounting method. Try to visualize complex processes by creating flowcharts or diagrams. This active engagement helps you connect theory to practical scenarios, making the material much more intuitive and easier to recall during assessments. As you progress, delve into more advanced topics such as variance analysis, capital budgeting, and performance measurement. Consistent review of previously covered material is essential to prevent forgetting key information. Consider forming a study group with peers to discuss challenging concepts and explain solutions to one another. Teaching others is a powerful way to deepen your own understanding and identify any gaps in your knowledge. For exam preparation, simulate actual test conditions by taking timed practice exams. This helps you manage your time effectively and reduces anxiety. Identify your weak areas by reviewing mistakes and focus your efforts there. Remember, consistent effort and strategic practice are key to success. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals to keep your ride fresh.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.